So, good morning to all of you. I am Shivashish Thakur and I am in the orientation at Bhavrao Devraj Saraswati Vidya Mandir in Noida. I have some wonderful gentlemen over here and today we are going to discuss about the orientation program that we are facing right now, then in which we are participating and how these sessions are going on, what are these gentlemen faces, what experience they have. Let's talk to them one by one. Let's talk to Anilji first. Anilji.
Yes,
Anil-
Subhasis.
Anilji, can you tell us that from where you have come here?
I am from Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College, Chirgaon, Jhansi.
Anilji, we are spending a quality time here. Quality time in the sense that a teacher waits for summer vacation. Rather than spending time with our families, we are spending time in session. So how you think that these sessions are most appropriate than spending time with our families?
Actually, you are right, Subhasis. It is the time to spend this time with my family because we get holiday in this month. But in comparison, I am spending my holidays here. But I am getting a lot of things from here, such as this session is conducted by Vidya Bharati, and it is my duty to join this. So I have participated in this session, and I think that it is better than to live with my family.
So Anilji, tell us now how this session improves you as a teacher.
Actually, this session has improved a lot in myself. I have got many skills such that to speak in front of the audience, to speak in front of anyone, and I have removed my fully hesitation. Now you can see that I can speak well English, and I have learnt many things, how to speak, how to talk, how to do anything as in English. So I think that I am completely fully satisfied with this session.
Okay, that's good of Anilji. Anilji, tell us that how will you implement whatever we are learning here in our upcoming classes or upcoming sessions?
Actually, in upcoming classes and in upcoming generation, I think that whenever I will leave this place and I will join my hometown, and when I will go to my school, I will join my school, I will implement such type of things because mostly villages area, there are mostly villages area and the students belong to villages. They don't know how to speak English, so I will give them some types of activity that I have learned here with the guidance of our excellent mentor Madan Lalji and Mr. Deepak Sharma ji. So I think that I will improve also my students speaking skills.
That's nice. These are the opinions of Mr. Anilji. Let's talk to the another gentleman here, Mr. Ramji Mishra. Basically, Ramji Mishra is from Ayodhya, the land of real Ramji. So, Ramji, can you tell us that why we are here?
We are here to learn the English session particular, and we have been sent here for 15 days to learn it. We are learning here the grammar, vocabulary, communication skill and pronunciation, and it is being guided by the Madan Pal sir, Deepak sir and Renu ma'am. I am feeling very fantastic and their teaching manner is awesome.
Ramji, can you tell us that with this session, how you are enjoying this session, especially at the temperature of 40 degrees Celsius?
Yes, the temperature is too much. It is unbearable. Lekin in the class, when I found something particular, which was very peculiar for me, so I never mind the such kinds of the temperature.
Thank you, Ramji. Ramji, can you tell us that will you implement all whatever we are learning here in our upcoming classes?
Yes, after going from here, I have a good chance to implement it among the students, or not only my students, but also my colleagues, my teachers.
So thank you, Ramji. These are the opinions of Mr. Ramji Mishra. He is basically from Ayodhya.
Thank you, sir.
Let's talk to some other gentlemen here. Mr. Pramodji, please join us. Pramodji, first of all, tell us that from where you have come here.
Mr. Ashish, I am from Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Eglas, Aligarh.
Pramodji, tell us that why we are spending our the most awaited time here in Noida.
It is very hot summer vacation now, but my motto is only to improve my English, to learn more and more, so that I may capable to implement all these things among my family, all other things.
Do you believe, Pramodji, that Vidya Bharati should conduct more and more sessions like this?
Yes, my opinion is that this session may be conducted once in a year and twice in a year.
So, Pramodji, tell us that what is your learning from here session? What are you getting, and how this session, what changes you have achieved after having these sessions from Vidya Bharati.
Ashish, in the beginning, when I came here, I always faces many shyness, hesitation. But after spending 7 and 8 days, I felt in my body, in my personality, that I am fully prepared to attend any session before any time and any person.
Thank you, Pramodji. This was the opinion of Pramodji. Let's talk to another gentleman. We have Mr. Shiv Pad Adhikari. He is from my native state, Uttarakhand, Rudrapur. Adhikari ji,
Thank you.
can you tell us that how this session is helping you to grow as a teacher?
Actually, I would like to say that I have come from SSM Inter College Uttarpur, Uttarakhand, and this I learned a lot from this session. Every session is a very fantastic, but main session that I would like to say you that group session is the best for me.
Good session. How will you implement whatever we are learning from here in our upcoming classes or in the school?
Sir, especially I at first when I have never seen Noida, but I have come here to learn communication skills, English speaking course. But after completed this English speaking skills, first of all, when I am going to say something in English words, I am feeling shyness and hesitation. But now I am become confidence to speak to English to others, and after completing the Oriental communication, English communication skills, and I will go to hometown Rudrapur, and I will share my experience among the teachers, among the students, as well as our principal also.
So this was the opinion of Mr. Adhikari ji. In short, if I have to conclude that we are loving the sessions which is being conducted by Vidya Bharati,